Grade 9. Unit 3. Reading. Page 31. The Environmental Voluntary Foundation. The Environmental Voluntary Foundation started in 1986. Its projects aim to protect the Kuwaiti environment. The Kuwait Diving Team is one of these projects, and they study sea animals and the coral reef in Kuwait, in order to keep them safe and protected from water pollution and oil spills. They have beach cleaning campaigns every year for 6 months for students and young people. They educate people about the importance of the environment, sea life in Kuwait, community service, and what we can do to save our environment. They organize cleaning campaigns for everyone in Kuwait to help remove trash, paper, plastic, and fishing nets from the beach and from the water. Keeping the sea and beaches clean also means keeping the community safe from polluted water and the danger of sick sea animals.